Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI A2 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, obviously let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Trust me, here we've got three dots icon. After tapping on it, you can check it even. So after tapping on it, we have to enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a very wide list of previously visited websites, you can remove them automatically just by tapping on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookie sensor data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Of course, if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you are ready, just open clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty. So it means that for sure we just removed actually everything, starting from the list of visited websites and ending on saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your XIAOMI A2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.